Nagkakilala kami ni Gary sa pag-a-apply ng candidate soldier. Actually, nung nag-a-apply kami, hindi ko talaga siya kilala. 1 week pa lang kami noon, doon siya nagpapak-cute na.
Unang tingin ko sa kanya, kita ko sa kanya medyo mabait. At saka wala lang, simple lang. Ngayon, hindi ko pala alam na yun pala yung nagpapatibok ng puso ko. Yun lang, yun lang talaga.
So dito, Gary, kinausap ka ng Panginoon, mahalin mo si Mideline. Mideline, kinausap ka ng Panginoon, submit to God.
Ivy, sa wakas, nandito na tayo. Ito yung hinahangad natin. Sana habaan mo pa yung pasensya mo para sa akin kasi alam mo naman yung ugali ko. Mainitin na yung ulo pero so far sa tagal natin, ikaw pa rin yung nagpapakumbaba palagi sa akin. Sana pag nag-asawa tayo, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung pagpapakumbaba at pag-iintindi mo sa akin.
There are times when I just wanna look at your face with the stars in the night. There are times when I just wanna feel your embrace in the cold of the night. I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. All those years I've longed to hold you in.
Hi baby! So, nagpapasalamat na ako na kakasal na tayo ngayon. At gusto ko, i-promise ko sa sarili ko at i-promise ko sa iyo na alagaan kita, at hindi kita saktan siyempre, at hindi kita iiwan. Okay?
Yung lagay sa Biblia, na ang kaminyoon, honorable. Sa lain na translation is, marriage should be respectable by all. Who will respect the marriage? All.
You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore. Time and again, there are these changes that we cannot end. As sure as time keeps going on and on, my love for you would be forevermore.
Mag-aaway lang tayo pero hindi maghihiwalay. Yan yung palagi nating isipin. Yung ang hinihiling ko lang na malayo tayo sa isa't isa, layuan natin parehas ang temptasyon. Kailangan sa ating dalawa, walang susuko. Pwede tayong magpahinga pero walang bibitaw. At lagi mong tatandaan na mahal na mahal kita. So, I love you, baby.
I just can't believe that you are mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. I never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare